MUVO Smooth Leave-In Treatment is a lightweight formulation that restores gloss and shine to create tangle-free, smooth hair and protects from the sun and thermal damage. Use on wet or dry hair. Australian native finger lime caviar and desert quandong repair, improve manageability and help to protect against UV damage. This product is protein-free, sulfate-free, free of parabens, it's vegan and cruelty-free. The potent Australian finger lime caviar with its delicate juicy pearls and the impressive multifunctional Australian desert quandong release a wide range of benefits for healthy hair. It's tangle and frizz-free, gives a vitamin C boost, adds volume, gloss and shine. It strengthens, repairs, hydrates, seals the hair cuticle, helps to protect from UV and heat, is anti-static, an ultralight formula and safe on colour-treated hair.